Good morning, students. As you all know that the whole world is under the control of COVID-19. If you want to beat COVID-19, I will say, जो रुका वही सिकंदर, stay home. Friends, students, last year you have studied the topic statistics. In that topic you have studied how to find mean, median and mode. At the same time, you have studied how to plot the graphs. The graphs were simple bar graphs, histogram, and frequency polygon. Now, this year also we are going to study the same topic but in a different way. Now, we'll study the subtopic that is mode. You can see one example is there on the board. This is ages in years. And these are the number of patients. We have to find the mode. The class interval begins with 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. And the frequencies, that is number of patients are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. We have to find the mode of this example. Now the method of finding the mode is that first you have to see the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is here 23 and the class corresponding to the maximum frequency is 35 to 45. Therefore 35 to 45 is called as the modal class, MODAL. Again I repeat, first we have to see the maximum frequency and the class corresponding to the maximum frequency. The class corresponding to the maximum frequency is called as the modal class, and the modal class is 35 to 45. Now, from this modal class, you have to take the lower limit, and lower limit is 35. Lower limit is 35. Maximum frequency is called as F1, which is equal to 23. The class size of the model class is 10. Class size is H, and we find H by subtracting upper limit and lower limit. So 45 minus 35 is 10. F0 is 21. 21 is the preceding to the maximum frequency, and F2 is succeeding to the maximum frequency. So now after writing all these details, we'll write the formula. The formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now I'll place these values in this formula. Let's see. Is equal to L. L is how much? 35 plus F1, we can see F1 as 23 minus F0 is 21 upon 2F1 means 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 into H. H is 10. H is 10. Is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2 upon 2 into 23 is 46 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. I'll solve the remaining part here. Is equal to, this is 35 plus 2 tens are 20. I have multiplied 2 and 10, which is in the numerator. Now I will see the subtraction of the denominator. 46 minus 21 minus 14, that is equal to 11. 35 plus, we'll divide this 20 by 11 and see what is the answer. This is 20, this is 11. 11 ones are 11. 9. 9 is less than 11. I'll give a point here. 0. 11. 8s are 88. This is 2. So the answer of 20 upon 11 is 1.8 is equal to 36.8. Therefore, mode is equal to 36.8. This is the way to find the mode. I am sure that you have understood how to find mode using all these details. You can see the sum. The following data shows the information of the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. The table is lifetime in hours. The class interval begins with 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 100. And the frequencies are 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. You have to find the mode. Procedure is same. Again, I will explain you what was the procedure of the first sum. See the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is 61 and the corresponding class to maximum frequency is 60 to 80. Therefore, 60 to 80 is called as the modal class. I will write here. Okay. 60 to 80 is the modal class as the maximum frequency is 61. Now from this model class we have to take the lower limit. Lower limit L is equal to 60. We have to take the class size. Class size is H. H is equal to 80 minus 60. That is equal to 20. F2 is equal to 38. F1 is equal to 61. F0 is equal to 52. Now I write the formula and then method is same. You have to place the values in the formula and find the answer. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now I place the values. These values are here is equal to L is 60 plus F1. We can see here it is 61 minus F2. Sorry, it is F0 is equal to 52 upon 2 into F1 means 2 into 61 minus F0 52 minus F2 38 into height is 20 is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 32. 61 into 2 is 122 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. This and then I will solve here. Is equal to 60 plus 9 into 20 is 180 upon 122 minus 52 minus 38 is, let's see, I will write here and then I will drop 122 minus 52 70 minus 38 is 32. So it is upon 32 is equal to 60 plus Now I will divide 180 and 32. This is 32. 32 into 5 is 160 minus 20 is left. But 20 is less than 32. Then I will give a point here. Then 32 6 is 192. 8 is left. 32 2 64. 16 is left. So it is 5.62 is equal to 65.62. Therefore, mode is equal to 65.62. So students, this is the way to find the mode. Now this is one more sum which I will read for you and then I will solve it. A student noted the number of cars passing a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode. Number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequencies are 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Now I will solve this sum. Method is same. First you have to see the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is 20 here. So model class is 4250. 42 model class since the maximum frequency is 20. L is equal to 40. Height is equal to 50 minus 40, which I have to take from the model class. Height is equal to 50 minus 40 is 10. Then I will write the maximum frequency, that is F1, which is equal to 20. F0, the preceding number to the maximum frequency, is F0, which is equal to 12, and F2 is equal to 11. Now I will rub this and then I will write the formula and then method is same. Now I will write the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we have to place these values in the formula. Mode is equal to L. What is L here? 40 plus F1, I will write in the bracket 20 minus F0, which is equal to 12 upon 2F1 means 2 into 20 minus F0 is 12 minus F2 is 11 into height is 10 is equal to 40 plus 12 minus 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 upon 20 into 2 is 40 minus 12 minus 11. Minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23 into height is 10 is equal to 40 plus 10 8s are 80. 40 minus 23 is 17 is equal to 40 plus 80 by 17 is 4.7. So mode is equal to 44.7. So friends, this is the method to find the mode. I have solved 3 sums for you. Now it is your turn. Go through all the 3 sums and then solve the third sum, the fifth sum of the exercise mode. I am sure, okay, by referring all these 3 sums you will be able to solve these sums. If you come across any doubt, then I am there to help you. Thank you.